Hi, welcome to the Beneteau exhibit at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. It's a very exciting year for us. We have 13 boats on display. 4 of the boats are new models. I want to take you through our most exciting new model, the GT36 Outboard, behind me. Some of the features that are most exciting about this boat is in the cockpit. You've got great opposed seating for all your friends and family. Once you get down below, another great feature about this boat is the 2 stateroom layout. Both staterooms are separated by doors. Big feature on an express cruiser under 40 feet. The head's also a great feature on this boat. You've got separate shower and toilet area. It's a very nicely finished and large space for a boat under 40 feet. These are just a few of the features that stand out on this boat. There's a lot more to see. Come check us out all weekend at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show.